Hold on. Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Hold on a second. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I upload every other week. I'm trying to see if my mic will work, but other than that, today's vlog, I'm going to be putting on different lipsticks on my mouth. So I was just thinking about this one because, I haven't done this on my channel. So I'm like, I'm going to do this. But before I start the vlog, I want to say happy October, guys. We are in the 10th month. We're in the 10th month. And I hope you guys are enjoying yourself, and I hope you enjoy the rest of October because we are in the 10th month, and the year's just flying by. Like we just started. We finished September now, and now we're in October. Like we just started September and now we're in October. Like it's so fast. Okay? So today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting on different lipsticks like I said in the vlog. So I'm just going to pick a random lipstick here. But let me get one more thing before we start. So hold on. All right. I am back. Okay. So I'm going to put on my lipsticks right now. Okay. So the first one I'm going to put is called MYX Lipstick Liquid. So this is the lipstick I'm going to be putting on my lips. This is like a tutorial. And honestly, this is kind of bright, so I'm going to put something to like make it more darker. And this is the first one. And if you like, if it's not good, you can use some Garnier wipes, some dry wipes. So let me do something here. Okay. And if you feel like it's too much, you can go like this and wipe. Okay. I think I may have wiped too much, but it was too much before. So that's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna go to my second one. So I'm gonna wipe this one off. And we do the next one. The next one I think I want to try. This one is called Nivea. Like back in the day, this was probably, I'll say, in my young teenage years maybe. I used to love wear this Nivea. And I think first time I used to buy like Nivea perfume and stuff like that. So I really like this color. This is like a tutorial if you want to practice putting on lipstick, and I'm using like a little bit of Vaseline. Okay. It's not bad, it's a little too much, but make sure when you're using stuff like this, you just put a little bit. So yes, guys, it's been a while. I've been filming a vlog for you guys, like, even though I'm busy most of the time, but I am trying my best to film vlogs for you guys. So I am back now. I am back. Alright. The next one, I don't know if you guys see me. I'm going to put on this lip balm on my lips. This is what it looks like. Okay. And just put some on your lip. I like this. It's very smoothing. This one, you don't really have to put no Vaseline, but can't even tell that's even there. Okay. And then the next one, this one is called NYX lip gloss. I don't know how this is gonna look on my lip, but let's see. I am not feeling this. I'm not feeling this one. But if I put Vaseline, maybe Vaseline, but I'm still not feeling this one. But like I could wear down, but you would have to put like a little bit on your lip. Okay. Let's see. This one is called Nivea. This is like the red one. And I used to use this like crazy. That's why it's like kind of almost done. I love this one. And stuff like this, you don't have to put too much. You just put amount of lipstick. Like this one I'll wear because it's just nice and simple. And like you don't have to wear too much. And the Vaseline blends it itself, see? Nice and red and simple. Okay? I'm gonna do another one. And guys, comment down below which one's like your favorite lipstick. Alright. This one is Lipstick Pop Free. This one is like my favorite. I used to wear these lipsticks like when I used to like you could wear these if you're going to a party or what's it called, a church, you know. Again, I like this one. Very nice for the skin tone. Like it kind of blends with it. Lipsticks like these I just like. I don't know why. It just look nice on your lip. And like you don't have to like worry if it's not too much, if it doesn't look too good. Like even the other colors I had before, like they were too bright for me. But at least you will look good when you have them on, right? I'm trying to find another one. This one is the NYX Liner glitter makeup, but it's a lip gloss. Okay. I had not wear this in my life. Ooh. This one you don't even need Vaseline because it's like, it shines. Yeah, I like this one. Very pretty. Yeah, this one, I don't even need to put Vaseline, but it does shine. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I tried on a lot of lipsticks, like ones I have not tried before. Like these are ones like I used to wear, but I don't wear them often. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, like, what was your favorite so far? And like if you would buy these type of like lipsticks, you can buy them. And if the only tip, if you're somebody like me, if you're wearing lipstick, you put on some Vaseline, because it's like you don't want to wear it and it's too bright, right? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you know, I am gonna try my best to be on YouTube. It's like it's because of my schedule, you know. But I'm gonna try my best to be on YouTube, post more vlogs. And of course this week you will see a vlog, so stay tuned for that one. Next week you will see a vlog, and of course you will see this one next week as well. So you will see more vlogs from me, okay? But other than that, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications when I upload every other week. I hope you guys will like my videos. I know I haven't been filming as often, but I will try my best to film more vlogs for you guys, because this is what I'm here for. This is a channel that likes to give advice and all that stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. The gloss I'll just show you. You will see them in the video, so you guys can go buy them any type of store. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. And I'll see you guys on my Wednesday's vlog, okay? Bye, and enjoy the beautiful weather. And I want to say happy October, because we want to see what October is going to give us in store. All right. Bye.